All right, so I decided to make a video to explain real quickly how to help protect your faucets outside. We got a winter freeze coming in here, so hopefully this will be helpful for somebody now or sometime in the future in the next freezes. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to get a few of these things, depending on how many faucets you have. So these are just kind of cones of styrofoam that have a string inside, and this string loops around the faucet, and then you tighten it over here so it doesn't fall, and I'll show you how to install those. I'd say don't wait till the last minute like I did, because it's already freezing outside and it's also slightly drizzling, so try to knock this out real quick. Okay, faucet number one. So basically gonna just loop this thing over, and I'm gonna take the string and put it over the valve of the faucet. Put that in like that, just make sure it's tight to the wall, and then you pull the string just like a hoodie, and it just tightens around and holds that in place. Good to go. Got another one I'll show you. As you can see, I mean, we were lucky the previous owners did this, but you can do this for yours just all year round. It's like a little piece of kind of insulating material here that's taped around, so I don't even have to worry about adding any extra protection. And I'll show you again from just a little bit closer. I'll take the string, just loop it around the faucet here, put this in, and then you just pull that string tight. And you should be good to go. Now I got one more faucet that's a little bit more annoying than the other ones. You can see this is the main line. So there's this pipe that comes out from the ground, and that one, you know, prevents you from putting this thing on properly. So in order to add some additional insulation, you know, you can get these yellow microfiber towels. You can see this one's been heavily used. I call them schmatas. And then I just will just wrap it around, and then I'll close the styrofoam on it, so that'll provide a little bit of additional protection. So all I'm doing is just pushing this in, so that cold air won't be coming in from this side, and that helps give it a nice tight fit. All right, so that's it. The whole story takes 5 minutes. I only have 4 faucets around the house, so depending on, you know, the size of your property, but these things are pretty cheap. You can get them on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description of the video. And another couple of tips inside the house, you know, you want to have the heater on. You really want to worry the most about pipes that are running on the external walls. The internal walls are not going to be as much trouble, but still every faucet we try to drip, and you can open the cabinets at night as well, so that warm air can get in there to the pipes and make sure that there's no freezing inside the walls. And for anybody who has a pot filler in their kitchen, those are kind of annoying. What I do is I just take a really big pot, and then I just drip slowly into that pot overnight. And, you know, usually it doesn't get even close to full, but then I'll just put another pan under it to capture anything if there's overflow. And we've never had issues with that. So good luck to everybody with this storm, and hopefully this video has helped somebody out. If it's given you any value, please give it a like, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it really helps me out. Thank you very much.